You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't...
Every day I pray to the mighty. Bukomansimbi to be the right party. Who is a Kyagulanyi woti? With the right of Jamaica. Mr. President, answer that. I don't want to move to that president. Yahweh,
take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifted.